Bento Box here. I just want to do a little introduction. I made some rice balls for an upcoming video, and I had some leftover sushi rice. And like I said earlier, I got really hungry. I was making it, and I thought, what can I do with this? I didn't have any shrimp cooked, anything else ready. But I did have some Spam that I used in a SPAM Masubi video that I made about a week ago. So I thought, why not? Let's just have some fun. So I made a quick roll. Oh, it's delicious. And I thought to myself, man, if I would do this on camera for a fun video, why not? So, why not? So we did it, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Okay, today we got a fun little video, something a little extra bonus points. I just made my little rice balls, and I had some leftover rice and everything was laid out, and I got kind of hungry working on this. So I thought I'd just make together, just throw it up in the air, and I landed out with a Spam roll. I was like, yeah. So I took a whole sheet of nori and just cut it in half. And then I took the end of a little piece of Spam that I had and just diced it there. And I know some of this is off camera, but that's okay. I got the rice and some water. And you make get a little ball of it. And you press it on your nori. And you squish it out a little bit so it's not very thick, but leave a little strip right up here so that when it folds, that it'll stick. And there we go, just a little bit more on the corners here. Oh yeah. That's looking good. Let me get the sticky rice off my hands real quick. Again, this is just a nice quick throw together little meal. Okay, go ahead and just transfer that to your rolling mat. And I like a little zing to mine, so I have some tube of wasabi. So I just take just a little bit here, oops, a little more, and just kind of lay it out some there, make we call growing up a schmear of it, and just put a couple of pieces. See, I just kind of diced that item there into 4 pieces, and here's the fun. So then you just kind of roll this up, tuck it in, let it go, and then use the mat to roll and let it go. And it's not very round. Actually, this is a little long, so let me just trim that up real quick. Again, this is made on the fly, so didn't get everything prepared here. Let's get rid of that. There we go. And let's just go ahead and you put it, then you squeeze it so it comes out nice and round. Yeah, oh, look at that. All right. It's a little lumpy. Let's go ahead and give it one more little squish, roll it along so it stays round. There we are. That looks good. We'll come back to that. Let's go ahead and make another one here. Let's trim this off real quick. There we are. Lay it down. Get your hands wet. Get your little rice ball. And again, you just kind of squeeze it down. You don't want it too thick, about 1/8 of an inch. Flatten it up. That's looking good already. Wash my hands for a second. There we go. A little wasabi fun. Some heat and extra kick. Throw on a couple of pieces there. Straighten them up. Get a nice roll. And go ahead and squeeze and then roll a little bit with the mat. Okay, that one's not sticking. Sometimes they don't stick, so just get a little water on your hand there and just kind of like an old wrapping paper for those who rolling paper knows those days. There you are. Squeeze it up. There we go. A little leaked out. That's okay. Now, to finish this off, put that on your cutting board. Okay, get it centered. Now get your knife. Make sure it's a nice sharp knife. Sorry for the extra noise, but you got to wet it so it doesn't stick. Yeah, see, even he's getting excited. And then the key is to go ahead and stack them, but you got to make sure your knife's wet again. And you try and do it in one solid motion. Cut through. There we are. Okay, that one took a little extra, a little sticky. There we go. There we go. And whenever you stack them, always stagger them. That way they're easier to grab with your chopsticks. So hold on, we'll go ahead and start enjoying these in just a second. All right, the moment of truth. I went ahead and plated my roll. Oh, the Spam roll, so good. I got a little bit of a dipping sauce, which is just a little bit of wasabi mixed with soy sauce. And the truth. Let's see, a nice light dip. That's fabulous. Has a little burn to it from the wasabi, but that's so good. And there's nothing better to enjoy your Spam roll than have a tasty beverage. I have mine right here. That is the spot. This is Bento Brock. Remember to smile and bento. Go ahead. Oh, it's just so good. I'm going back for another bite. Hey, please remember to like and subscribe by hitting the icons below. The sushi rice recipe is in another video, and I'll link that down there also. And thank you so much for watching.